Hello, I'm Mr. Binsel. Today, inshallah, I'm going to introduce myself to you. But to understand me, first we have to go through some stations. First one is molecular biology. What is it? It's the study of gene structure and function at the molecular level to understand the molecular basis of heredity, genetics variation, and the expression pattern of genes. Second station is the cell. Cell is the basic structural function and biological units of all known living cells, organisms. It is divided to two types: prokaryotic cells, eukaryotic cells. The prokaryotic cells found in bacteria and archaea. The eukaryotic cells found in animals, plants, fungi, molds, protozoa, and archaea. The third station is the genome. The genome is the total of genetics information within one mutual cell of an organism, encoded in DNA. For some viruses, it's encoded in RNA. The fourth one is the human genome. We all have the same 30,000 genes, so we have to do similar. There are some variation due to infections, strikes, and diseases. DNA, which is me. DNA is the human genome divided to 23 pairs of chromosomes. As far as we know, most of DNA in our chromosomes appear to have a little purpose. The gene numbers is nucleated which is the nucleated differences between a human to other human is 0.1%. The nucleotide differences between a human to other monkeys is 1%. 99% genes of mice homologous with human. Most of genes are the same. Differences are the same. The differences are a regulation of genes expression. Genes and chromosomes. Each chromosome has hundreds of genes. X chromosomes has 1,141 genes which are not in Y chromosomes. Y chromosomes are responsible for male fertility and sperm production. Genes function. Genes is the unit of inheritance. Each gene encodes one gene product. Some genuses encoded proteins and other genuses encode RNA. As we see in the figure, that's the way how does it work. Cell and nucleus, chromosomes, a gene. How do genes work? Gene transcription siblings to mRNA, translation to a protein. Differences in DNA sequences. Our genomes differ from each other at 1 in 250 nucleotides. Polymerase are the reason why we appear differently. Thank you. I hope you now understand